Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can change the size of mouse pointer in Windows 11 very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to click on Windows icon and here you have to search for settings. And here click on settings and then in the setting search option you have to search for mouse setting. You can see mouse setting is here, click on it. And here you have to just scroll down and here you can see mouse pointer and here click on it. And here you can see size of mouse pointer. So from here you can increase or decrease the size of your mouse pointer in Windows 11 very easily. So guys, in this way you can change the mouse pointer size in Windows 11. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.